মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি মই তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে আন এটি ভিডিঅ' লৈ আহিছোঁ আৰু আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'ত আমি আলোচনা কৰিম হায়াৰ ছেকেণ্ডাৰী ছেকেণ্ড ইয়াৰৰ লষ্ট স্প্ৰিং নামৰ চেপ্টাৰটিৰ আটাইকেইটা কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ্ছৰ ওপৰত। ইয়াৰ পৰাই তোমালোকৰ পৰীক্ষাত থাকিব, তোমালোক সকলোৱে ভালকৈ শিকিবা, কোনো টেনশ্যন নাই, পৰীক্ষাত কুৱেশ্যন কমন পৰিবই। তোমালোক সকলোৱে মোৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা, ভিডিঅ'বিলাক শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবা, কমেণ্ট কৰিবা। যদি কাৰোবাৰ PDF লাগে কমেণ্ট কৰিবা, PDF দি দিয়াৰ ব্যৱস্থা কৰিম। ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল, হু ইজ দ্য অথৰ অফ লষ্ট স্প্ৰিং? লষ্ট স্প্ৰিঙৰ অথৰগৰাকীৰ নাম কি, লেখকৰ নাম কি? আনিছ জাং ইজ দ্য অথৰ অফ লষ্ট স্প্ৰিং। আনিছ জাং হৈছে লষ্ট স্প্ৰিঙৰ অথৰ। হোৱাট ইজ লষ্ট স্প্ৰিং এবাউট? লষ্ট স্প্ৰিংটোৰ ভিত্তি কি, মানে কাহিনীটো কিহৰ ওপৰত ভিত্তি কৰা? লষ্ট স্প্ৰিং ইজ এবাউট টু প'ৰ ইণ্ডিয়ান চিলড্ৰেন, সাহিব এণ্ড মুকেশ, হু হেল্ড টু দ্য পভাৰ্টি, had to lose their childhood happiness for the sake of supporting their family. লষ্ট স্প্ৰিং হৈছে সাহেব আৰু মুকেশ নামৰ দুগৰাকী ল'ৰালিকালৰ কাহিনী, যিবিলাকে নেকি নিজৰ পৰিয়ালক ছাপোৰ্ট কৰিবলৈ সিহঁতৰ ল'ৰালিকালৰ আটাইবিলাক সুখ ত্যাগ কৰিছিল দৰিদ্ৰতাৰ কাৰণে। হোৱাট ইজ দ্য অৰিজিনেল বুক ফ্ৰম হুইচ দিছ প্ৰ'জ পিচ ইজ এন এক্সাৰ্প্ট? এই লষ্ট স্প্ৰিং যিটো চেপ্টাৰ আছে এইটো কোনখন কিতাপৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে? দ্য প্ৰ'জ পিচ ইজ এন এক্সাৰ্প্ট অফ দ্য বুক লষ্ট স্প্ৰিং ষ্টৰিজ অফ ষ্ট'লেন চাইল্ডহুড নামৰ কিতাপৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে। হু ইজ সাহিব? সাহিব কোন? সাহিব ইজ এ য়ং ৰেগ পিকাৰ হু স্ক্ৰঞ্জেছ দ্য গাৰ্বেজ ডাম্পছ অন দ্য ষ্ট্ৰীট অফ দিল্লী ফৰ হিজ লিভিং। সাহিব হৈছে সৰু আৱৰ্জনা বুটলি ফুৰা এটি ল'ৰা। দিল্লীত ৰাস্তা ঘাটে সি আৱৰ্জনা বুটলি ফুৰিছিল। হি ৱাজ হাউ এভাৰ অৰিজিনেলি ফ্ৰম ঢাকা, তাৰ আচল ঘৰ আছিল ঢাকাত। হোম ডাজ দ্য অথৰ এনকাউণ্টাৰ এভৰি ডে ইন দ্য ষ্ট্ৰীট? লিখকে প্ৰত্যেক দিনাই বাটত কাৰ মুখামুখি হৈছিল? এভৰি ডে দ্য অথৰ এনকাউণ্টাৰ্ছ এ য়ং ৰেগ পিকাৰ সাহিব ইন দ্য ষ্ট্ৰীট। প্ৰত্যেক দিনাই লিখকে এটি সৰু ল'ৰা সাহিবৰ লগ পাইছিল, যিজন ৰেগ পিকাৰ আছিল। হোৱাট ডাজ সাহিব ডু এভৰি ডে? সাহিবে এভৰি ডে কি কৰিছিল? এভৰি ডে সাহিব স্ক্ৰঞ্জেছ দ্য গাৰ্বেজ ডাম্পছ অন দ্য ষ্ট্ৰীট অফ দিল্লী ইন অৰ্ডাৰ টু ফাইণ্ড ছামথিং ভেলুৱেবল। আৱৰ্জনাৰ মাজত কিবা মূল্যৱান বিচাৰি পাবলৈ সিহঁতে আৱৰ্জনা বুটলি ফুৰিছিল। হোৱেৰ ইজ দ্য অৰিজিনেল হোম অফ সাহিব? সাহিবৰ আচল ঘৰ ক'ত আছিল? দ্য অৰিজিনেল হোম অফ সাহিব ইজ ইন ঢাকা, বাংলাদেশ। বাংলাদেশৰ ঢাকাত আছিল। ইয়াত অলপ টাইপিং মিষ্টেক হৈছে, তোমালোকে শুধৰাই ল'বা। হোৱাই সাহিব এণ্ড হিজ ফেমিলি মাইগ্ৰেটেড টু সীমাপুৰী? সাহিব আৰু তাৰ পৰিয়াল কিয় সীমাপুৰীলৈ মাইগ্ৰেট কৰিছিল, উঠি আহিছিল? দ্য ষ্টৰ্ম হেড ছুইপড এৱে সাহিবছ হোম। ধুমুহাই সাহিবৰ ঘৰ উৰাই লৈ গৈছিল। এণ্ড গ্ৰীণ ফিল্ডছ ইন ঢাকা, আৰু সেউজীয়া খেতি পথাৰো লৈ গৈছিল। হেন্স হি এণ্ড হিজ ফেমিলি হেড মাইগ্ৰেটেড টু সীমাপুৰী, সেইকাৰণে সি আৰু তাৰ পৰিয়াল সীমাপুৰীলৈ আহি গৈছিল। হোৱাট ডাজ সাহিব লুক ফৰ ইন দ্য গাৰ্বেজ ডাম্প? সাহিবে গাৰ্বেজ ডাম্পত কি বিচাৰি ফুৰিছিল? সাহিব স্ক্ৰঞ্জেছ দ্য গাৰ্বেজ ডাম্পছ টু ফাইণ্ড ছামথিং ডেট ইজ ভেলুৱেবল হুইচ ইজ দ্য অথৰ ৰেফাৰ্ছ টু এজ গ'ল্ড। সাহিবে গাৰ্বেজ ডামৰ মাজত মূল্যৱান কিবা বিচাৰি ফুৰিছিল, যিটোক লিখকে গ'ল্ডৰ লগত তুলনা কৰিছে। হোৱাট ইজ সাহিবছ ফুল নেম? সাহিবৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ নাম কি? সাহিবছ ফুল নেম ইজ সাহিব-এ আলম হুইচ মিনছ লৰ্ড অফ ইউনিভাৰ্ছ। সাহিবৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ নাম হ'ল সাহিব-এ আলম, যাৰ অৰ্থ হৈছে ইউনিভাৰ্ছৰ মালিক। হোম ডিড সাহিব অবজাৰ্ভ ষ্টেণ্ডিং এট দ্য ফেন্স গেট অফ দ্য নাইবাৰহুড ক্লাব? সাহিব ষ্টুড এট দ্য ফেন্স গেট অফ দ্য নাইবাৰহুড ক্লাব and observed two young men dressed in white clothes playing tennis. What was Sahib wearing when he was at the gate of the club? When Sahib was wearing a discolored shirt and shorts and also a pair of tennis shoes with a hole in one of them. Where is Simapuri? Simapuri kot? Simapuri is a place in the periphery of Delhi. Who is Mukesh? Mukesh Kun? Mukesh is a young boy who works in Firozabad, a small town famous for its glass bangles. What is Mukesh's dream? Mukesh's hopun ki asil? Mukesh's dream is of becoming a motor mechanic. Mukesh's hopun asil motor mechanic hoar. Who is Sobita? Sobita Kun? In the chapter Lost Spring by Anish Jang, Sobita is a young unmarried girl who belongs to a family of a Bengal makers in Firozabad. She does the work of soldering pieces of glass to transform them into beautiful glass bangles. She wears a draped pink dress. Why is Mukesh proud to take the author to his home? Mukesh is proud to take the author to his home because it was being rebuilt. Who is in charge of Mukesh's household? The daughter-in-law of the house, who was Mukesh's elder brother's wife, was in charge of the household. What does the author of Lost Spring find Sahib doing every morning? The author of the Lost Spring finds Sahib scorning for gold in the garbage dumps every morning. What does the garbage mean for the elders of Simapuri? For the elders of Simapuri, garbage means the means of survival. It is their daily bread, a roof over their heads. What is Sahib looking for in the garbage dumps? Where is he and where has he come from? In the garbage dump, Sahib looks for useful items that can be sold for cash. They are just like gold for him. Sometimes he finds a rupee or even a 10 rupee note if luck favors. Sahib and his family live in Simapuri, a slum on the periphery of Delhi. Sahib and his family had migrated from Bangladesh. What explanations does the author offer from the children not wearing footwear? Some of the children simply do not care to take the trouble of taking their slippers down from the shelf to wear them. Another explanation she receives is not wearing footwear, which is a tradition. However, she feels that it is simply an excuse to hide a perpetual state of poverty, as many families cannot afford to buy footwear for their children. Is Sahib happy working at a tea stall? Sahib got a job at a tea stall where he was paid rupees 800 and all his meals, but Sahib seems unhappy because he has lost his freedom. The steel canister seems heavier than the plastic bag. The bag was his, but the canister belongs to the owner. Sahib is no longer his own master. Who was Sahib? What was his full name? What was the irony about his name? Sahib is a poor rag picker who lives in Simapuri. His full name is Sahib Alam, which means Lord of the Universe. The irony lies in the meaning of his name itself. According to his name, he should be a king and enjoy all the luxuries of life. But unfortunately, he is a barefooted rag picker who lacks even the basic necessities. Why is Mukesh realistic about his dreams? Mukesh has his own aims and dreams and wants to be his own master. He does not always want to remain a Bengal maker. He wants to go to a garage and get the required training. He is thus determined to achieve his goal and become a motor mechanic. What is Mukesh's dream? Do you think he will be able to fulfill his dream? Why? Why not? Mukesh belongs to the family of Bengal makers of Firozabad, where each family is engaged in Bengal making. On asking, Mukesh says, I will be a motor mechanic. I will learn to drive a car. Thus, he wants to be his own master. However, he is caught up in the vicious cycle created by others. He will not be able to realize his dream and will remain a Bengal maker. What makes the city of Firozabad famous? Firozabad is famous for its Bengal making industry. Beautiful Bengals can be seen all piled up in every corner of the city. Every other family is engaged in the business of Bengal making. It is the center of India's glassblowing industry where families have spent generations working around furnaces. Mention the hazards of working in the glass Bengals industry. The glass Bengals industry has a very hazardous working environment. People work in the glass furnaces with high temperatures, in dingy cells with high temperatures, in dingy cells without air and light. Most of the people end up losing their eyesight even before they become adults. Adding to their misery, they are caught in a vicious cycle of people who exploit them. What forces conspire to keep the workers in the Bengal industry of Firozabad in poverty? The Bengal makers in Firozabad are exploited at the hands of the Shahukars, the middlemen, the policemen, the lawmakers, the bureaucrats, and the politicians. Thus, they remain steeped in poverty. They cannot form cooperatives for their betterment. Moreover, their children are also compelled to join the same trade at an early age, thus remaining in the vicious web. What was the promise made by the narrator to Sahib? Why was she embraced? The author made a promise to open a school. The writer was embraced because she had not opened the school yet, and Sahib kept on asking her, "Is your school ready?" She made a promise that was not meant. Why could the Bengal makers not organize themselves into a cooperative? The Bengal makers could not organize themselves into a cooperative because they were trapped in the vicious circle of shahukars, middlemen, policemen, bureaucrats, and politicians who exploited them. If they tried to organize themselves, they would be beaten by the police and put into jail. Why had the ragpickers come to live in Simapuri? Once Sahib's parents lived in Bangladesh amidst the green fields of Dhaka. There were many storms that swept away their fields and homes. That's why they migrated to Delhi and settled down in Simapuri looking for an occupation. Describe the Bengal makers of Firozabad. How does the vicious circle of the Shahukars and the middlemen never allow them to come out of poverty? The Bengal makers of Firozabad have spent generations working around furnaces. Every other family in Firozabad is engaged in making bangles. They sit around all together, welding the glass and making bangles for all the women in the land. These families are caught in the web of poverty. They are burdened by the stigma of caste. They believe that they are born to this caste, and thus Bengal making is a God-given lineage out of which they can never imagine a life. They cannot organize themselves into cooperatives for fear of the police. Individual Bengal makers are caught in the vicious circle of the middlemen and the shahukars. This vicious circle exploits them so much that they are left with so less money that they have only enough to engage in Bengal making. How is Mukesh's attitude towards the situation different from that of Sahib? Why? Mukesh belongs to a Bengal making family, but he is not content with his profession. He dares to dream of becoming a motor mechanic and driving cars. He has strong willpower and wants to achieve what he dreams about. Unlike other people in his family, in contrast to this, Sahib is a rag picker who is content with his life but becomes unhappy when he gets a job at a tea stall, even though now he is probably earning more and on a regular basis. এইখিনি কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ তোমালোকে চাবা, বাকী চেপ্টাৰবিলাকৰ ওপৰতো তোমালোকক কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ দিয়া হ'ব। তোমালোকে কোনো চিন্তা কৰিব নালাগে, ভালকৈ পঢ়ি থাকিবা আৰু চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা, ভিডিঅ'বিলাক শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবা। ধন্যবাদ থাকিল সকলোলৈ, আকৌ লগ বেলেগ চেপ্টাৰত।